Hello everybody, today we're going to solve an absolute value inequality. We have absolute value of x less than 3 and we need to find the solution for x. Now I want to visually show you what this means. What does the absolute value of x mean? It means the distance from 0. The difference from 0 must be less than 3. So here is 0. So the distance from here to 1 is equal to 1. So that's less than 3. The distance from 0 to here, 1.5, is equal 1.5, which is less than 3. The distance from 0 to 2.6 is less than 3. So we have all of this here, all of this, the distance from here to here is less than 3. The distance from 0 to 3 is not less than 3, but it works for 2.999. So it's from 0 to 3, but 3 is not included. So you have open parentheses right here. Okay. So from here to here, we have a solution. But you have also to look at the negative side as well. We're talking about the distance. The distance between 0 and -1 is 1. This is the distance. Okay, is 1. The distance from 0 to -1.5 is 1.5, which is less than 3. The difference from 0 to -2 is 2, which is less than 3. The distance from 0 to -2.99 is 2.99, which is less than 3. So it goes all the way to -3. -3 is not included. Okay? So the solution here is going from -3 to 3. Okay, remember it's the distance. It doesn't matter whether you go in the positive direction or the negative direction. So the solution here is going from -3x to +3. That's the solution. In general, whenever you're solving for absolute value of x less than c, for instance, c is a positive number, then the solution would be -c less than x less than +c. So the opposite of c is -c here, x to c. So that would be the solution. So here's the solution. In interval notation would be the solution. You can see it from the graph from -3 to 3. That is a solution in interval notation. We can try another example, the absolute value of x. So this is example 1, this is 2. The absolute value of x is less than 5. Again, we can do the same thing here, or we can apply this. The solution would be from -5 less than x less than 5. So this is the solution and an interval notation from -5 to 5. By the way, if this is less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 6, you have absolute value less than or equal to c. That means you have opposite of c is -c, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to c. So you have that, the general case right here. Okay, all right. I can give you another example. Absolute value of x minus 2 is less than or equal to 3. So again, we have absolute value inequality with less than or equal. The opposite of 3 is -3, less than x minus 2, less than, oh, I forgot less than or equal, sorry, less than or equal to +3. So the opposite of 3 is -3. X minus 2, you get rid of the absolute value, less than or equal to 3. Now we're solving for the variable x, so we need to isolate x in the middle here. So we need to add 2 on all sides of the equation. We no longer have 2 sides of the inequality, sorry, not an equation. We add 2 here. We have to add 2 on all 3 sides. Okay, -3 plus 2 is -1. Less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the solution. writing it in interval notation, it's going from -1, that's the smallest value. -1 is included because I have less than or equal, all the way to 5. 5 is included because I have less than or equal. So this is the solution in interval notation. And if you want to graph it, graphing the solution, all you have to do is going -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going from -1 to 5. And here is the solution. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.